Hi everybody, so I've got a little bit done on the guitar body. Sorry for the lighting in here, one of my lights went out, so I'm trying to deal with that too. So I got everything routed, the neck pocket, the pickup cavities, I can't think again, and also have the control cavity, depth I need it, the switch cavities, the depth I need it, wherever it is, it's there somewhere. Oh, there it is. And I've got it to the thickness I want. It's just right at 1 3/4. So by the time I'm done sanding, it might be just like a fraction thinner, but that don't matter. So I've been debating on whether to put the little cutout here and on the back for the belly pocket, whatever you want to call it there, or just leave it the way it is. So if you have an opinion, put it in the comments, let me know, because I'm debating on whether to go ahead and do that or not. But in the meantime, I've decided to try to dig up some wood to make a neck for it, and I couldn't find enough of either type of wood left to make a neck. I do have enough black cherry, but I would waste a lot trying to do that to get it to where I need it for a neck. So what I'm going to do, I have some pieces of board here. I had one piece of black walnut that was good enough for me to get one strip out of. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to laminate these together like this, glue them together, and I've got them thick enough I can mill them down to the size I need, the thickness for a neck, and use the black walnut as a center line. So I'm going to go ahead and glue all those together, and it'll be edge cut, whatever I can't remember what they call it, but you actually want the grain running this way when you're making a neck. Most wood is milled out like this, but I'm going to stand them up like this. It gives it more strength. So I'm going to go ahead and glue those together and probably stop for the night. I've got the edges rounded, so if I decide not to make the belly pocket and the other cut out, I'll just leave it like it is. So give me your opinion. What do you think would be best? Put those in there or just leave it like it is? So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.